Sunday evening, southeast Texas, as we talked about yesterday, we thought it'd be blistering hot today, and it was. We've had some upper 90s, even some 99s scattered across for high temperatures up in the lakes area this afternoon. Very little, if any, shower or thunderstorm activity. Number one, we still have high pressure over the area. It is sliding a little to the west, but number two, just not much of a sea breeze with that offshore flow today. But a little weak upper level disturbance we were watching to come in for today is actually a little bit weaker now and farther to the southeast. I don't think we'll see a lot of activity at all this evening. Still maybe a few pop up before dark, but everything ending once we lose daytime heating. But tomorrow, the moisture really starts increasing from the east. Notice our moisture levels are fairly moderate right now, but watch what happens tomorrow. Big yellow color coming in from the east and northeast as the high moves back to the west. So we'll give it a 40 to 50% coverage of showers and thunderstorms late in the day tomorrow. Not really an upper level disturbance, it's mainly just a big slug of moisture coming in, a little disturbance in the upper atmosphere to our south. But notice as we head through Tuesday, lots of moisture as well. May get a little bit of a break on Wednesday. We'll show you that in just a moment. Deepest moisture slides to the southwest, but still lots of moisture in place, but no disturbance, and we may get worked over for some showers and storms tomorrow night. So we'll give it a 30% coverage on Wednesday. And we'll be watching to the north. Trough of low pressure in the upper atmosphere comes on in Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And look at the moisture increase, a lot of moisture convergence ahead of that. Those rain coverages in the 50 to 60% coverage range coming up for Thursday through Saturday. There's Friday, pretty good chance of rain there, especially in the afternoon. There's the disturbance there, the trough, moisture. Thursday, Friday look pretty active. There's the disturbance moving to the south. Will slowly start improving a little bit a week from today. So each day there'll be scattered showers and thunderstorms. Rainfall expectations over the next week. Of course, there'll be totals a lot higher than this over the course of the next 7 days, but 1 to 2, 3 inches will be pretty common over the course of the next week or so. Hurricane Erin has weakened considerably since yesterday, making it to Category 5. Winds now 125 miles an hour. Still forecasted to go back to 4, then back down to 3. But as we said yesterday, staying well off the coast of the United States. So that's good news there. They'll still get some high seas, maybe some breezy winds as well. Certainly some rough waters offshore, but at least the core of that staying well offshore. That's certainly good news there. And then making that turn off to the northeast. All right, let's take a look at Futurecast. Overnight should be fairly quiet, as well as tomorrow morning, because once again our flow tomorrow will be out of the northeast in the mid-atmosphere, so not much of a sea breeze day tomorrow. But as the day goes on, we'll see scattered showers and thunderstorms developing in Louisiana and working into the area from the east. Once again, about a 40, maybe 50% coverage coming up for tomorrow, with temperatures in the middle to upper 90s. Marine forecast hadn't changed much. Well, just not much wind in the forecast at all the next several days, and that water temperature at 92. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows will be in the mid-70s lakes. This morning, we actually had some low to mid-70s up in the lakes area. It was a few degrees cooler this morning. Had a little bit of slug of drier air work in late last night. This morning, mid to upper 70s along Interstate 10, still low 80s down toward Port Arthur. Tomorrow, scattered thunderstorms, especially mid to late afternoon. Some of those will have lots of lightning with them. A hot one, upper 90s lakes, about 97 along Interstate 10. So another hot day coming up. And that 7-day forecast features a 40% coverage tomorrow and Tuesday, maybe a little bit lower on Wednesday at 30%. Then that trough, remember we showed you that trough coming in from North Texas, will arrive on Thursday late into Friday and Saturday. So at least a 50% coverage of showers and thunderstorms toward the end of the week and next weekend, with high temperatures remaining in the 90s, but a lot better by the end of the week. In fact, highs only around 90 for Friday.